Hey guys, we're back. This is actually part 2 of the how to set up the blog for your website. And if you watch part 1, you'll notice that we are right where we left off, which is viewing the blog that we have just set up. And we'll just put 1 or 2 entries in here. So now, as you can see, we have a white area over here, some white space, and we've actually added 2 new content blocks for the blog to put in here. So to put these in, let's go ahead and turn design mode on. Over here in design mode, you'll see there's some new ones called blog entries side panel. As you can see, it's lit up there. So let's go ahead and click on that content area, and we'll show you the 2 new blocks. So from here, hit the drop down, go to I'll show you this one first, the blog post recent. Go ahead and hit add. Basically, this is you've probably seen these if you've followed or read a few blogs of your own. It basically just gives you the most recent entries. And let's go ahead and edit that, and I'll show you the options. Basically, you can retitle it if you want, but I would just leave it. You can, again, since you can have multiple blogs, you can select which one you want it to pull the most recent entries from. So obviously for this demo, we only have the 1, so we'll leave it as that. Number of posts, this is basically how many are going to be in the list. So you can have it 3, you can have it 5. As you can see, enter 0 for unlimited, which is all. So once we're done here, go ahead and hit save and return. That will essentially enable this, and let's add another one, which is blog post by month. And basically this is just a kind of a way for it to filter the amount of entries. So you know, if you only have 5 entries in 1 month, it'll say the month and then 5, and then if you only have 10 entries the next month, it'll, you know, so on and so on. So again, to enable this, let's go ahead and edit. And as you can see, really nothing here in the way of options too much. You can probably change the title, but let's just leave it as archives and hit save and return. Alright, and let's go view. Sorry, here, getting ahead of myself. Let's go to the blog manager. As you can see, this is our Logic Block blog that we created in the last video. So let's go ahead and view that in the store, and we'll see the 2 new content areas that, or content blocks, sorry, that we put in here, as you can see there. So let me turn design mode off, and that is it. I think we have it capped off at 9 right now. So if I was to have 10 entries, it would only show the 9 most recent ones. And again, we only have the 2 so far in September. So that's it. These are the 2 new content blocks that you can add in here, and the next video will actually be showing you how to add the link in your menu to the blog.